Imagine getting a mid-range phone packed with a massive 8,500 milliamp hour battery. Are we reeling toward a future where charging your phone just twice a day is enough? Well, the device in my hands right now is the Huawei Enjoy 90 Pro Max, an entry-level phone that was just officially launched today. A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from techmaiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting tech content. Right away, you'll notice its large 6.87-inch display, and scrolling along the edges feels smooth and responsive. It features an OLED panel with a peak brightness of 4,000 nits, along with 2160 Hz high-frequency PWM dimming. So on paper, the display specs are actually quite impressive. The phone also comes with symmetrical dual speakers that can get really loud, and overall, the external audio performance is surprisingly solid. Under the hood, this phone runs on Huawei's in-house Kirin 8000 chipset. For an entry-level device, it ships with HarmonyOS 6 right out of the box, and the overall smoothness is quite good for this category, giving it a noticeable edge. HarmonyOS itself brings some powerful AI features, especially with the Xiaoyi Assistant, which can deliver very accurate answers to your questions. There's also a side X button that adds a lot of convenience. You can use it, or the Xiaoyi Assistant, to quickly save important dates, addresses, shopping lists, cards, and even task reminders. People used to say a weak memory needs a strong pen, but now, even a strong memory can't compete with AI. With Xiaoyi, you can easily keep track of things you might otherwise forget. Another thoughtful addition is the AI reverse driving feature, which makes this phone a safer and more reassuring choice, especially if you're planning to give it to older family members. When it comes to design, the Enjoy 90 Pro Max stands out with its rounded deck-style look that feels quite premium, almost like a flagship device. The body uses a suspended armor structure, making it more durable and resistant to bending. It also comes with IP65 dust and water resistance, so you don't have to worry too much if it gets splashed or accidentally exposed to water. Even though it's positioned as an entry-level phone, it still includes a 50-megapixel RYYB main camera. RYYB sensors are known for their strong low-light performance, something Huawei has done really well in the past. So for everyday photography and social media sharing, this camera should be more than capable. In my opinion, the two biggest highlights of this phone are definitely the HarmonyOS experience and that huge 8,500 milliamp hour battery. With a battery this large, the endurance should be seriously impressive. It honestly feels like it could last up to 2 days on a single charge and still not be fully drained. Of course, we'll be putting that to the test soon, so make sure to stay tuned for our detailed battery review. Also, keep in mind that the Enjoy series actually comes in two versions, the Pro Max and the Enjoy Plus. Both models are quite interesting, and there will likely be a noticeable price difference between them. So once the final pricing is announced, you can decide which one fits your needs better, or whether this could be the right new addition to your home.